Llamafile versus Ollama review. Which local AI tool is better? Choosing the right local AI tool can make a big difference in how you work with models, privacy, and offline capabilities. Llamafile and Ollama are two popular local AI solutions, but they take different approaches to running AI models on your own machine. Llamafile focuses on easy local file-based model interaction with simplicity, while Ollama emphasizes a broader, flexible framework for running multiple models locally, with CLI and API support. This comparison breaks down how each tool works, so you can decide which one fits your local AI workflow best. Llamafile is a local AI tool designed to make it easy to run and interact with AI models directly from files stored on your device. Its core strength is simplicity. You can load models and data without complex setup, then query or generate output using straightforward commands. Llamafile often appeals to users who want a lightweight, file-centric approach to local AI, especially when privacy and offline access are priorities. Because everything runs locally, you retain full control over your data and models without needing cloud dependencies or API keys. Llamafile is ideal for developers, researchers, and hobbyists who want quick access to local inference without a steep learning curve. Ollama is a local AI platform designed to run multiple models on your machine with flexibility and developer-friendly tools. It provides command-line interface, CLI support, API access, and the ability to manage, switch, and orchestrate different models easily. Ollama's framework is built to work with a range of open-source models and supports workflows that involve serving, integration, and experimentation. Its emphasis on modularity and tooling makes it a strong choice for developers who want more than just local inference. Ollama is geared toward integrating local AI into apps, prototypes, or custom workflows while keeping everything on device. Feature comparison. Llamafile and Ollama both let you run AI models locally with privacy and offline capability, but they excel in different areas. Llamafile's simplicity and file-based interaction make it ideal for users who want quick local inference with minimal setup. Ollama's broader platform and tooling support give developers more flexibility to manage multiple models, integrate with apps, and customize workflows. Final thoughts. If you want a lightweight, simple tool that lets you query models and interact with local file-based data without a complicated setup, Llamafile is a great choice. If you need more flexibility, model management, CLI and API support, and the ability to build local AI into your own projects, Ollama may be the better option. The best local AI tool for you depends on your workflow, how much control you want, and whether you prioritize simplicity or flexibility.